Hello you guys, in this video we're going to create a website just like this in WordPress for free. So before you create a website you'll need hosting. For hosting we'll be using Cloudways. Cloudways has a 3-day free trial in which you can build your site and put it online. Cloudways has a pay-as-you-go program, so you won't have to pay a year upfront when the trial is over. So to get started, let's click on the button Start a Free Trial. Here you can create an account. You can create an account with LinkedIn, GitHub or Google. You can also just create an account manually. I already have an account, so I'll be skipping this step. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to create a new server. To create a new server, click on Add Server. Here you can choose your server provider. I will be choosing a DigitalOcean server. For a WordPress website, a DigitalOcean server is perfect. So for server size, I'll be choosing just 1 GB. Now, when you create the server, it's automatically going to install WordPress on it. You can also choose another open source platform to install. But for this tutorial we are going to use WordPress. You can name your application and you can also name your server. You'll also be able to choose the project for your application. I'll just leave this as default. After all this, you can choose a location for the server. It is wise to pick a location closest to where you expect the most visitors to come from. I'll be leaving this as is. Now, I already have a server, so I won't be creating a new one. But when you're done, you can click on Launch Now. Once you have created your server will be visible right here. To go to the WordPress website, you go to Applications. So as you will see, you will have your application right here. I'll be creating a new application for this tutorial because I already have the example site here. So I'll create a fresh application and I'll point it to the server. Once you're in your application, you will see a link to your admin panel and a link to the application itself. Now to add a custom domain, you can go to Domain Management. And here you can add a custom domain to the new Cloudways WordPress website. I won't be going into detail on how this works in this tutorial, but they have very detailed instructions on how to do so right here. So let's go to our admin panel. The login details are right here and we're in. Now, first of all, we're going to install a theme. Click on Add New and search for Astra. Click Install and activate the theme. Once the theme has been activated, go to Plugins, Add New, type in Astra. Now, you gotta get the Astra starter templates. Click on Install Now, click Activate, and now we can use the starter templates. So let's go to C Library. Click on Elementor, as this is one of the best page builders out there. Now, some of these are premium and some are free. Now, I'm going to search for our example. Our example is right here. Click on the template you want to install. Now, if you want to preview before you're going to install it, click on Preview Template Site. As you can see, this looks like our example. Now, let's import the complete site. Click Import. Now, once the site is imported, click on View Site. As you can see, we have the example site right here. But now it's imported on our website, so we can edit it. So let's first go to Edit with Elementor. This is a very easy page builder. You can edit text, You can edit background images. And you can edit normal images. Elementor has numerous widgets. It has videos, buttons, icons, and much more to explore. I won't be going over it in this video, but most things explain themselves. Now, let's go to View Page and let's edit the site footer. As you can see, they put a transparent image right here, so it has a very nice effect for the dog over the footer. You can edit text here as well, like the email address. You can also edit a link to the email. Let's update. View page. Go to home page. And as you can see, the text is updated. Now, what if we are not satisfied with this header right here? Then we can go to Customize. Header. Primary header. And we can do it centered or reversed. We can also make the header full width. And we can also edit the mobile header. Let's close. And as you can see, our header is now full width. So, let's now look at how to create an extra custom page. Go to New, Page, and let's title this Custom Page. Go to Edit with Elementor. Now, you can build a page from scratch, you can choose a page from the Elementor library, or you can once again choose an Astra template. For this example, I'm going to use another Astra template. This time, we're going to use a Simply Natural template. As you can see, it blends in perfectly with our current site. It automatically fits the colors and the fonts to our current theme. Now, let's look at how to add another menu item for our page. Click Publish first. Have a look. Go to Customize once again. Go to Menus, Main Menu, Add Items. As you can see here, our custom page. You can even change the text of the menu item. As you can see, the new menu item was added. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe for more of these tutorials.